Okay, good morning. How are you? Today date is 11 December 2020. I am taking class in second standard. Then subject is maths. Page number 126. Open your book. Page number 126. Chapter number 4. Time. Let's quarter 2. क्वार्टर 2. तो लास्ट पीरियड में हमने क्या सीखा था? हाफ पार्ट, क्वार्टर पार्ट. सो क्वार्टर 2 in hours and minutes. Quarter 2 means 45 minutes. Our minutes format to hours hand read by bigger marking the hands has crossed the hour in the quarter 2 format. The hour hand read by the bigger marking the hands about to reach. If the meaning hand is 9, so 45 minutes. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So big hands 9. Wait. Then next hand 12 cross the 1. So by time 12:45. 12:45. Quarter 2, 2. Quarter 2, 1. So quarter 2, 1. 12 o'clock. So 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Then next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So big hand 9 o'clock पे. Then time is 4:45. 4 o'clock 45 minutes. Okay. और quarter 2 5 o'clock. Quarter 2 5 o'clock. So the minutes hand at 9, the hour ends have crossed the 4, about to reach 5 o'clock. The time is 4:45. Quarter 2 5. Then next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So always big hand is 9 o'clock पे. Then small hand 6 cross 5 cross 6. So 5:45. 5 o'clock 45 minutes. Quarter 2 6 o'clock. Quarter 2 6 o'clock. Then next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Big hand 9 o'clock पे. So next 10:45. 10:45 minutes. 10 o'clock and 45 minutes. Tell me student. Quarter 2 clock. Quarter to 11 clock. Okay. So draw hands on the clock to show the time. हमें ऐसा दिया गया है फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि ये क्लॉक है 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. तो 6:45 क्वार्टर टू 7 ऐसे हमें टाइमिंग दिया गया है कि 6 o'clock and 45 minutes. सो बिग हैंड्स 9 पे रहेगा, देन 45 minutes. ओके 6 o'clock 45 minutes quarter to 7 o'clock. So next example 12, 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9:45. Timing 9:45. So let's 9:45. So 9:45. Okay. Then next calendar. Okay. Now let's calendar. This is called calendar. Calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. We already know that there are 7 days in a week. Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So now let's MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday, WEDNESDAY Wednesday, then THURSDAY Thursday, FRIDAY Friday, then SATURDAY Saturday, SUNDAY Sunday. Okay. So let's tell me, speak with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So 7 days in a week. वीक में 7 days होते हैं. So now complete the names of the day of the week. Okay. MONDAY. 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 Okay. So M dash dash D dash Y. MONDAY Monday. T dash E dash dash A dash. TUESDAY. 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 WE dash N dash S DAD dash Y. WEDNES DAY. Wednesday. TUS A dash THURSDAY. Thursday. Then next R dash D dash Y. FRIDAY. Friday. SATURDAY. Saturday. Okay. So now next S dash and dash S dash Y. SUNDAY. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So 7 days in a week. Now next, 1 year has 12 months. The month of year are month कितने होते हैं? 12. 1 year में 12 month होते हैं. So let's January 31 days. 31 days. Okay. Then February 38 or 39 days. 38 or 39 days. Then March 31 days. April 30 day. 30 day. May 31 day. 31 day. June 30 day. 30 day. July 31 day. Okay. August 31 day. Then next September 30 days. October 31 day. November 30 day. Then next last month is December 31 days. Okay, so January 31 days, February 28 or 29 day, March 31 day, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 day, July 31 day, August 31 day, September 30 day, October 31 day, November 30 day, then December 31 day. Okay, some months have a 3 days or some month have a 31 days, and February has 28 days or 29 डेट. फेब्रुआरी में 28 डे होते हैं या तो फिर लीप ईयर होता है तो 29 डे होते हैं. ईयर एंड लीप ईयर. ईयर एंड लीप ईयर. देर आर 365 डे इन अ ईयर विथ फेब्रुआरी हैविंग 28 डे. जब फेब्रुआरी में 28 डे होते हैं तब पूरे ईयर के कितने दिन होते हैं, कितने डे होते हैं? 365. Okay, then 1 year has 12 month. 12 month है January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, then December. 1 year has 12 month. Then a year has 52 weeks. Okay, 52 weeks. There are 366 days in a leap year. February having 29 days. जब leap year होता है, 4 year के बाद leap year आता है, तो February में 29 डे होते हैं तो पूरे ईयर के 366 डे होंगे. Okay, there are 66 day in the leap year with February having 29 day. A leap year across every 4 years. Okay, 4 years में 1 टाइम जब लीप ईयर आता है, जैसे कि 2000 में लीप ईयर है. एग्जाम्पल 2000 में लीप ईयर है. सो 2001, 2002, 2003 एंड 2004. फिर से लीप ईयर कब आएगा? 2004 में. देन 2004 में लीप ईयर है. सो नेक्स्ट 2005, 2006, 2007 एंड 2008. कब आएगा? 2008 में. सो लीप ईयर कब आता है? 4 years के बाद. सो एग्जाम्पल फॉर लीप ईयर 2002 में 2000 में हो तो नेक्स्ट लीप ईयर 2004, देन 2008, 2012 एंड 2016. ओके, 4 ईयर के बाद लीप ईयर आता है. तो फेब्रुआरी में कितने डेज हो गए? 29 डेज. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट fill in the blank and match the columns. Okay, so now next fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. First is Friday come before. Friday come before dash. Second, Monday come in between dash and dash. Thursday come after dash. Wednesday come before dash. If today is Tuesday, what will be the day after tomorrow? Then next, if tomorrow is Saturday, what day was it yesterday? Next, if yesterday was Saturday, what day it is? Is it today? So first is Friday come before Saturday. Which answer? Saturday. Okay, so Saturday. Saturday. Then next, Monday come in between Sunday. Then Sunday, Sunday, and Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Thursday come after Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Then Wednesday comes before Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Then if today is today, what will be the day after tomorrow? Thursday. Which day? Thursday. Thursday. If tomorrow is Saturday, what day was it yesterday? Thursday. Which answer? Thursday. Then if yesterday was Saturday, what day is it today? So Sunday. 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 Friday come before Saturday. Monday come in between Sunday and Tuesday. Thursday come after Wednesday. Wednesday come before Thursday. Then next, if today is Tuesday, what will be the day after tomorrow? Thursday. If tomorrow is Saturday, what day was it yesterday? Thursday. Then if yesterday was Saturday, what day is it today? Sunday. So now next, match the column. Okay. Next, match the columns. Column A and column B. First is 26 January. Then 15 August. 26 January and 15 August. 5 September, 14 November, 25 December and 2 October. So Teachers Day, Christmas Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day and Children's Day. So now let's 26 January Republic Days. Republic Day. Okay. So 15 August Independence Day. Then 5 September Teachers Day. 5 September Teachers Day. So 14 November Children Day. 14 November Children Day. Okay. 25 December Christmas and 2 October Gandhi Jayanti. So 26 January Republic Day, 26 January Republic Day, 15 August Independence Day, and 5 September Teachers Day, 14 November Children's Day, then 25 December Christmas Day, and 2 October Gandhi Jayanti. So let's now January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So there is a very easy way to remember which months have how many days. Fold the fingers of the hand from the first, start counting month from the knuckle of your little finger. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So the knuckle are month with 31 days. ओके जो ये फर्स्ट वाला है वो 31 डेज यानी ये गैप वाला 30 डेज. ओके द गैप बिटवीन टू नकल्स आर मंथ विथ 30 डेज. February in a odd month with 28 or 29 day. Okay, so now next word problem and fill in the blanks. Okay. So let's now solve this word problem and show the time in the clocks. Okay, first is Sanjana go to play at 6 o'clock. She play for 2 hours. What time does she return home? So 6 o'clock वो खेलने गई थी और 2 घंटे उसने प्ले किया. So Sanjana return at home 8 o'clock. Now next, Ravi start his lunch at 11 o'clock. He take 30 minutes to finish the lunch. At what time does he finish? So रवि ने लंच 11 o'clock को स्टार्ट किया था. So 30 मिनट्स का ब्रेक था तो उसने लंच 11:30 को फिनिश किया. So now 11:30. Okay. Then next, movie start at 12 o'clock. If it runs for 2 hours, what time will we end? So after 2 hours, after 2 is 2, the movie will end 2 o'clock. Okay, so now clock timing, so 2 o'clock. Okay, let's now next fill in the blank. So now let's, what day is 10 September? What day is 10 September? 10 September को कौन सा डे है? Which answer? So Tuesday. Answer is Thursday. Sorry, Thursday. Thursday. Okay. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then Saturday. So what day is 10 September? 10 September को Thursday है. What day is 22 September? 22 September को कौन सा डे है? 22. So Tuesday. Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Which answer? Tuesday. Tuesday. Then next one, which day? Teachers Day. Teachers Day को कौन सा डे है? So Teachers Day 5 September. So Saturday. ऐसे TURDAY. Saturday. It 20 September is 25 सितंबर इज अ फ्राइडे. 25 सितंबर को फ्राइडे है. यस. विच आंसर? यस. Then what is the date on the second Saturday? Second Saturday को कौन सी डेट है? 12 September. Okay, so now 12 September. Okay, so what day is the 10 September? Thursday. What day is the 22 September? Tuesday. Then one weekday is Teachers Day, Saturday. It is 25 September a Friday? Yes. What is the date on the second Saturday? 12 date. Fill in the blanks. July come before August. Now November comes after October. Then next dash has 29 day in a leap year. February में 29 और 28 डेट होते हैं. सो लीप ईयर हो तो 29 डेज. डेज कम बिटवीन टू मंथ्स हु नेम बिगिन द सेम लेटर्स. मे, मार्च, अप्रैल, मे, अप्रैल. सो विच आंसर? अप्रैल. मार्च, अप्रैल, मे. सो मार्च, अप्रैल, मे. तो ये दोनों सेम है. तो विच आंसर? अप्रैल. ओके. सो 2 months विच हैव 31 days आफ्टर द अदर जुलाई एंड अगस्त. जून हैज 30 days. 2 months after September is November. If last month was August, September will be next month. A leap year has 366 days. February was the month 3 months before May. Okay, so now chapter number 4 time is completed. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.